Hi, my name's Tami. I live in Greenwood Village, Colorado. I'm a teacher. I'm on my feet all day, every day. And when I came to Concise Chiropractic, I had some severe sciatica, some severe pinched nerves. I couldn't drive, I couldn't sleep, and I couldn't sit down. So I got going with treatment right away. I saw Dr. Colton 3 days a week for about a month, and I saw great relief with that. What I want to tell you is that this really affected my sleep as well, because as you know, you cannot sleep when you're in pain. It's very difficult to do that. So sleep affects all of our days, and it affected my nervous system, it affected my mood and my energy. I wasn't really present for my students when I was in pain and did not have sleep. So the sleep portion was very significant for me. Being able to sleep on my side that had big pain was very important for me. So the sleep and the recovery period were shorter, I think, for me because the pain went away and then I was able to sleep more. One of the biggest highlights of working with Concise was, I think, the regularity that I saw Dr. Colton, and just the follow-up. He texted me and wanted to know right away if I saw any improvements. He gave me stretches and exercises to do. I've seen other chiropractors in the past, and there wasn't that kind of follow-up. So I think that is really, really important with Concise, is they care about their patients and they follow up with them. I would tell you about Concise Chiropractic to come and give it one visit. I think you'll know from when you walk in the door, from the x-rays that they take, from the assessment of your nervous system and your spine. It's a different kind of place. They use the Gonstead method, which is really important. The doctors here are highly trained, and they look specifically for where your spine has hot spots each and every time you visit. So I would say come and give them one shot.